This video demonstrates the installation of Magna lens magnetic earmuff adapters on Sordin X2 and T2 models of earmuffs. This magnetic earmuff adapter is for only the headband style of earmuffs, and a different Magna lens adapter model should be used for Sordin neckband and helmet-mounted styles. We will demonstrate the installation of the left ear side adapter. You will see that the magnetic earmuff adapter has a similar shape to the OEM part, which we call the wire guide, and it will snap directly on top of that wire guide. The right-sided adapter will mirror the shape of this left-sided adapter. The wire guide of your earmuff will fit into this cavity as you install it. It is easiest to install this rounded section of the adapter first, and then snap the bottom on, and then proceed to press firmly across the rest of the adapter so that it completely snaps into place. Visually inspect to confirm that the adapter is fully encompassing the OEM part. That's it. Once it is installed, you'll be able to magnetically connect your Magna lens eyewear directly to your earmuffs. The magnetic earmuff adapters should remain securely fastened during use. However, you can remove them if necessary by firmly pulling them off. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, as we are happy to help. Our contact information can be found at magnalens.com.